Imagine waking up tomorrow with your own AI-powered app business without coding a single line, without hiring expensive developers, and without crying into your coffee because WordPress broke again. That dream just got real thanks to AIBizly. This thing lets you create and launch profitable AI apps, websites, and tools that people actually pay for. And yes, even if your tech skills stop at copy and paste. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. I've spent over 6 years making a full-time income online with affiliate marketing and SEO. I've seen every shiny tool, every promise, every become a millionaire by Thursday course. And trust me, most trash. But AIBizly grabbed my attention because it's focused on what actually makes money today. AI apps, SaaS tools, websites clients will pay you for, recurring income you can scale without losing your sanity. So in this video, we'll check what AIBizly is, how it works, who it's for, the awesome bonuses you get, and whether you should grab it. Bonus tease? And here's the spicy part. I'm giving my own exclusive bonuses worth hundreds of dollars to help you make sales faster with AIBizly. You'll find everything linked below. What is AIBizly? AIBizly is a beginner-friendly training program that teaches you step-by-step how to create fully functional AI web apps, websites, and tools that look like they were built by professional developers. You don't need coding, you don't need design skills. If you can describe the app you want in simple English, AI builds it for you. This is for entrepreneurs, beginners, affiliate marketers, agency owners, and literally anyone who wants to turn ideas into real income without hiring a developer or taking a 6-month coding bootcamp. Instead of learning boring theory, AIBizly shows you real projects that you can actually sell. How it works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Follow the real-time videos and build your first app in a couple hours. Step 2. Launch it live with 1 click. No servers, no plugins, no hosting meltdown. Step 3. Make money through subscriptions, client websites, marketplaces, or even flipping the apps for fast cash. If you can click, drag, and type "Make me money," you're qualified. Benefits breakdown. Here's what makes AIBizly different. You learn to build applications that solve real problems, like a customer support chatbot that replies 24/7, lead magnet generators for marketers, AI voiceover tools, dashboards businesses will pay monthly for, even fully branded business websites in minutes. Apps that used to take months and thousands to build now take hours and about the price of a samosa in AI credits. You get lifetime updates, a private community for support, step-by-step real projects, and multiple ways to monetize. And the biggest benefit? You stop being the person paying for tools every month. You become the person getting paid every month. Let's talk money. Hiring a developer to build even a small web app can cost $5,000 to $50,000 and months of waiting. With AIBizly, you can build apps for as little as $5 in AI API costs. Which would you rather do? Burn cash like you're hosting NASA servers in your basement, or use AI and keep profits in your pocket?
What if I told you that you could build and sell professional web-based apps and websites like these using AI without writing a single line of code and start making money in as little as 48 hours? Hey, it's Chris Derenberger from Darkcore AI, and I'm about to show you something that's going to completely change how you think about making money online. You see, while everyone else is using AI to write blog posts and create content, smart entrepreneurs are using AI to build entire applications and websites that people will actually pay for. And I'm not talking about theory here. I'm talking about real functional apps that solve real problems. Here's the thing. You've probably seen the AI hype. Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, AI tools, automation, but nobody's showing you how to turn that into actual income. Sure, you can use AI to write faster or create images, but what if you could use AI to build products, to create assets that generate revenue? That's what separates the people who dabble with AI from the people who profit from it. That's exactly why I created AIBizly. AIBizly is the complete system for building and monetizing AI applications without needing to know how to code, without hiring expensive developers, and without spending months learning technical skills. And here's the best part. I'm not some coding genius. I'm a marketer who figured out how to leverage AI to build things that people will pay for. Here's how it works. Inside AI, you get the complete step-by-step system. I take you from the very beginning of setting up your account, showing you around in the AI platform, and even step-by-step demonstrations of building out complete web-based apps and websites. Now, some of you may be thinking, but Chris, I don't know how to code. Oh, perfect. That's the point. AI does the coding for you. You just need to know how to direct it. Well, don't I need expensive tools or software? The costs are minimal. You can build simple apps for as little as $2 to $3. More complex applications can cost less than $100 to create. Compare that to hiring a developer for $10,000 or more dollars and weeks or even months of waiting. But once I build these apps, how do I get them online? Simple. Every app is hosted on professional cloud infrastructure backed by Google Cloud Platform. One click and your app goes live with its own URL. No server setup, no technical headaches, just online, secure, and ready for clients. And you own the code. Export it, move it to any hosting provider you want, total flexibility. But can I really make money with this? Look, I'm not going to promise you'll make $10,000 your first week. This requires some work. But if you're willing to learn the system and put in the effort, absolutely. People are paying good money for custom AI solutions right now. And here's the reality. AI is the biggest opportunity we've seen in years, but it won't stay this way forever. Right now, we're in the early days, the Wild West phase where people take action to dominate. In 6 months, a year, everyone will be doing this. The people who win are the ones who start now. If you're ready to stop playing around with AI content tools and start building real applications that generate real income, click the button below to get instant access to AIBizly right now. Your future self will thank you.
Now, AIBizly includes 2 insane bonuses on the front end itself. You get AI Niche Finder worth over $1,000, which finds profitable app ideas instantly. You also get AI Flamebot, a viral roast generator that has already proven it can go viral and make money. And both include full source code and resell rights, so you can rebrand, relaunch, resell, and look like a genius tech founder. That alone already covers the price multiple times. If any additional upgrades are offered, I recommend the ones that add more templates or advanced features. Great if you want to scale faster or offer more services to clients. I personally tested AIBizly and built a functional tool within a day. No bugs, no migraine, no calling a developer from Fiverr saying, "Bro, why is the button floating into space?" As an affiliate marketer, I love that I can now create tools that help me build my list, boost conversions, or even generate lead magnets on demand. What it's not. Before you buy, let's set expectations straight. This is not a get-rich-quick genie. You won't press a button and magically own the next Facebook by Friday. It is not for people who can't take action or expect to earn without launching or selling anything. This is for action takers who want a real skill that prints money in the AI era. Think about it. AI is already changing everything. The people who use it are making money. The people who hesitate are watching others make money. You can be the one building real income assets that sell again and again. Imagine seeing your first sale notification knowing it came from something you built yourself. That feeling is priceless. The special deal including both source code apps is only for a limited time. Once it's gone, it's gone. So grab AIBizly now using my link below to lock in the bonuses and start building your first AI-powered app tonight. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and comment what kind of app you want to build first. I'm excited to see what you create. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. Keep learning, keep earning, and I'll see you on the next one.